Hello and welcome back to our game character creation series. In this episode, we are going to create our character. So let's reset the file with appropriate file name, so we can get all the backup for our process. So this is the recoverability process. So I will reset our file by pressing Ctrl and Shift and S, and I will name it red, which is the character name. And so let's name it red with 01 and save. Okay, so we don't no longer need these hyperbola model, so I will just delete it, and also delete this one. We will only need this low poly version of our character. Before we do the widget, I would like to apply the texture we have done in the system painter first. So let us go to the shading tab. In the shading, I will delete this UV checker map by pressing H, and I will add base color that we exported from the system painter. So we have to select this principal BSDS shader and then press Ctrl Shift and D. You will need to install the another add-on to do that. So I will just add it manually by adding an image texture. So to add an image texture manually, we have to press Shift A to add and then search for image like this and choose image texture here. Then we will open our image by pressing open, and we have to find the chorus folder. Then I save it in the texture tool. So I will just choose this one. This is the base color. We don't need the roughness texture for it. I will just choose base color, and we will just have to connect this base color to the base color of principal BSDS shader. As you can see, we have a texture right now. So great, and now we are going to start reaching the character. Now we can see the texture of our character right now. Before I start reaching, I would like to change the unit of our Blender so it can be exported similarly into the Unreal Engine. So we have to do this first. In the same setting, same property, we have to go to the unit. We just have to change the unit scale to 0.01. So we can press N to bring out the tab. Firstly, I would like to open the sequence key so you can see the key I'm pressing. Okay. So we need to apply the color dimension and size for our character. So our character is kind of a lizard character. So I think its height will be like 1 meter. So I will space like that. The area 1 meter in the sub dimension. Okay. Now it's 1 meter right now. It doesn't have to be exactly 1 meter. So I will keep the view of our character along this y-axis line or axis line if you are viewing it from the front. So I will move it in the z-axis. So press G to move and Z to snap it onto the z-axis. Okay, and we just move it to the top like this and put it on this line. As you can see, maybe I will move the character back a little and to keep the feet be around the center of our 3 sim. So it's in the center right now. So we need to apply all the transformation we have made to our model. So select our model and press Ctrl and A to apply, Ctrl and A to apply, and then all transformation. So the name of our mesh here right now is Beautiful Flow. Maybe I will just rename it to our character name, which is Red. Okay, and now we can start doing the region and make sure you apply all the transformation. Okay, all the scale are 1, and then know all the location and rotation are at 0 degrees or 0 meter. Okay, and then we can start reaching our character. And to reach our character, you can use the other pre-made region from the add-on, but I will show you the region from the start. So I will just do it manually by everything from the scratch. So let's add a ridge to our character. So to add object into our scene, we have to press Shift and A to add, and then we have to choose a mature, and then instead of this one, I will just choose Singapore. Okay, now we have a bone here. Okay, and now select our mature, and then press tab to go into the edit mode for our switch, and then select everything by pressing A, and then scale by S like this. And what I would like to do right now is, I would like to put the mature mesh in front of our 3D model so we can see the bone inside our mature. Because if we move bone right like this, we cannot see anymore. I would like to see the bone in front. So what we can do is, we can go to the object property, go to the keyboard visibility, and check in front. So it will always show up in front of other objects. In the display as setting, we can choose wire. What it will do is, it will show us kind of like a wireframe, and so it's not distracting other object view. So I will just keep it like that. So check in front and display a wire. And this is what I would like to do to one region. So let's start creating the skeleton of our 3D model from the scratch. So the roots of our model will be at the pelvis. So I will just key our bone like this. Also, I would like to check this symmetry fashion, and so we only have to reach one side, and we can just symmetrize it to the other side. Okay, so check this one. Firstly, I would like to rename the names of our bone, and let's call it is pelvis. So to rename, we can press F2, which is the shortcut for rename it, and I will name it pelvis. Okay, and let's keep it in the center of our mesh like this. in the pivot position and select the head of our teeth of our pivot bowl and extrude another bowl by pressing E, and we can extrude like that and extrude like remove bowl and just for the spine, and I will extrude again for the neck and extrude the last bowl for the head. Okay, and I will just move them around and make kind of copy shape like a body. So this is the neck bowl, this is the head bowl, and these are the spine bowl. So I will rename it all. So let's rename this bowl by pressing F2 and name it F. And this one is neck. Okay, and these three bowls are spine 01, 02, and 03. Okay, so select this bowl, press F2 to rename it spine, and let's go 01. Okay, this one is spine 02. This spine 03. Now we can extrude the bone for the teeth. So I will select the head of our baby bone and extrude it like that. So make sure to keep the bone like in the center of our teeth. No, so it can transport smoothly. So let's keep it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bowl for the teeth. I think it will be okay. So let's rename it off. Select this one. Press S2 to rename it T01. If you don't want to type T again, you can press Ctrl A to select this text and Ctrl C to copy it. Select this second table, press F2 to rename it, and press Ctrl V to paste it and just make T2. So T3, T4, and T5. Okay, now we are going to do the origin for the arm and leg. So let's take a bone from here and duplicate it, and I will put it in the arm. So press Shift and D to duplicate, and I will rotate it 90 degrees. So press R to rotate and press 90 to 98, rotate it 90 degrees. So I will keep one bone, this bone as a shoulder bone. Like this. And I will extrude it. I will extrude it from here in the exit by pressing X. You can snap it onto the exit by pressing X. Okay, and then let's subdivide it to make the bone for the upper arm and lower arm. Okay, so press right click and then subdivide. You can increase or decrease the number of gaps here, but we only need do twice, I guess. I won't add the bone for the hand because our character doesn't really have a hand like this. It only has 3 fingers. Okay, so I will move it in the YZ by pressing G and Y like this. and I will make 3 fingers right now. Let's duplicate this phone. Put it here, to here. With the finger 1. Duplicate it again by pressing Shift and T. This is for the finger 2. This is for the finger 3. So let's check it from the other angle. We can see the bone are now inside the finger. So I will move it into the Z-exit. So I will select all the finger bone and move it into Z-exit by pressing G and Z. Yeah, this is okay for now. So I will just rename all the bone. So this will be a shoulder bone. But since we have two sides, left and right, we have to add some kind of annotation and that indicate which side it is. So shoulder S for left shoulder, and this one is upper arm underscore A for left upper arm. So this one lower arm A. Okay. And this one is finger 01A. This one is finger 02A. This is finger 3. We need to fit the parenting program. So the parents of this finger right now is this upper arm, but it should be the children of this lower arm. So what I will do is I will select these 3 finger bones and select this lower arm by pressing Shift and click. Now we have select these 4 bones and press Ctrl and P to parent and make parent. We don't want to connect it because when we do that, it will go to the base of the bone. So we don't want that. We only want to keep offset. So as you can see, these dotted line changes from here to here because it parent change. Okay. Now it's under this lower arm bone. So we will summarize it in the exit, so we can copy it in the right side of our character body. So select all the bone like this, and press right click and choose summarize. So as you can see, we only have to reach one side of our character.